be yenti yesha kase bona se no yema yetiefu akwaba ebusuan kase bona hyase edie ene court etena ase mekire Accra High Court ekwo asetena na emrante makomako aduonu na womo eka democracy hub fo ho a womo eti atua e won krabompude mantamu a enam so ma womo pa atikwadi aposifo ensam no yedo no ebipie mu e wo court dem na ye wo wono mu a nyamenya adom e ma yetimenya bail e de ma wonom nanso emu makomako aduonu ene yentimi amfa bail ama womo ni nyina no ene se womo a ejirem se aloya fo ade ama wo my Ghana metire state attorneys no womo tirem se dabi se emrantie no ne maba wa no womu die program enu nso egu sokura no a womo mpene e ma yemfa bail no e ma womo efre se afa na empenefo hwe so mbetimi afile affidavit foforo eno no ebe challenge die ntie se se ma womo bail e ho ensem enu ntie ne emrantie makomako aduo no so yedo mo kopie mu e wo court no state attorneys ni tirem se dabi enya de so mbetimi amakwan ama yetimi agrante wonum bail na ni nyina no ene se wabra court no tenase no ana wotie mu afa wotina dwa mu ekire mu se anamawa state attorneys no eda na die enu ano entwa yie kura efre se wohwe anamawa state attorneys no da na die nu a na akwete se wo mu amfa wobuo ama court no efre se emra court no tenase enu ano state attorneys no wo mu ama enunti na asene no judge ne buofo kakra na nso ni nyina bo no state attorneys ni kire mu se enya de se na wo mo ya we kura se enra no na bail bi betimi abaso nti ana nam so wo mo ama no enu nti ene ya bono na kire se eyabode enipa mako adrenum emiensa ana posifo che wo mo a ye kasa yi emu 21 ye yi wo mo na nso no 20 de ye kasa yi eya de se state attorneys ni kire mu se enya de se ye betimi ama wo mo kwan na yetimi ama wo no bail na nso wo mo etemra se kire mu se Kwadwo ade abo wo mo no emre mo ye kan se eya misdemeanor enu nti e ba ne sen ana misdemeanor cases no yentimi ema bail akoye nsem pipa na wo mo ena ya ma wo mo bail no emu ba ko eye convener edema democracy hub no eye Oliver Baka voma wo na wo ka ho ebi ana Accra High Court ene ya ma wo mo bail na abrante ba ko a ene protest no wodi mo ntintimai pa ne din ade Raphael Williams wo jebrane nsɛmtrofo di nkomo obra wokopie mu e wo court na wo kirim se ensɛm no a e koso no odwene ho a wonte ase nanso no e yo my Ghana pe ana asade no ebetima koso
police officer come on camera come you want this one the future wait us all the future it wait us all who dey tell you when you so chin nature hey who dey get the police camera no nature hey you when you say you nature na the future wait us all they say we are just messengers of this struggle the real revolution will be fought by men in uniform. They carry the weapons. I repeat this, and you can put this on history. I am just a messenger. The real revolution will be all uniform. It is coming. Kwame Nkrumah Nyansa, you know the two swallow two. Insua kawa akonzulezua inzulezu apedi insua aka Ghana hair sua no usuma tuya bobi aka ho and kindly there streams bigger rivers are Ghana ya say me see a piefi on the Muslim community some sorry insua in the alola asada kwa sala anamebwa insua na say but imagine say what am cobra now possess insua now the alola ablution asada kwa sala ask yourself the question uyo ba now menstruating. That's what I think I'm saying. 20 minutes barrier. Ask yourself the question. And it's coming to us all. The time is now to rise up.
Enti ebusuafo ni ayati yeyi aya branti a ne din Ede Raphael Williams waka emranti a democracy hub no wo moti atuane ebie na wo kirem se anamo aposifo ani tuo no wo mo satanie enti se ne wo si ewo wo mo empeno a na enye asam ketwa enti na we ye de ekoso ewo Accra High Court wa emrante makomako aduo no state attorneys ne kire se yentimi ema wo mo bail nti yensa amfa wo mo nkohye aban moto mu a emu nsem ana wate no
yento akase abo no so ene yengo so nyira mu ewo galamsensensei mu na esi ameke se de agent na ha power manga na mensini ni jezemantam ni nyira mu a enye asem kuma kran na nkraba ka batogide ye kase abo pono so echirim se opening power no na chief executive officer Edema Minerals Commission Martin ayisi akase chirim se sia yekese no se legal man na kwa PMO ewa nyinam eno no ewo Etiwa East eye district nim no chirim se bia ya mutu galamse nim podie eya tenaya ehonum na Ghana Police Service no ete ewa jezanie enyinam potem honum o chirim se asem wei aya asem kase wodom abomode aka se nkaja positive we die enkan mo ankasa babia moti ya adwuma na amanfo tu galamse enso muntu nya ehwo hwe anan na so chetuma amode abba mane sa na so Ghana Police Service be pesa mra me no kasei enye ba metuma amoden asore etia sa galamse tu a ekoso ewanyinam num no pendi se wanye ko tudwa e me no ko piemu what say the government year assurance committee a etodwa wone de yara o mahye bedwam ena o kire me se odwene ha wonte ase free say mo Ghana Police Service mo de ne se man Ghana bibi nkoye baba mo de be yima sutire na magina mo naso ma hema mra no etima ya adwuma enti e ban sanda ne man kasa matena ye ena yetu galamse ewanyinam na se be ka kire mo bepem samla me no kasai anya de moto na monto kire me se sa na moto na ekoso no e ya de ha adwenyi pam opani ko piam ne yebisa ne sa na aja mo Minerals Commission fo no madwuma ye fo no musu ana ye hu sa se mmode nso ani no chem se odabi anya no kre wono mo do so pasi kam ho bibiara ho no ma wono mo ye adwumade ne mum omudwumade omudi ane so makoya positive asute odwumade ekoso a enye ho ne senti o modin aka che Ghana Police Service ni ma bi nkoye ni se o ma ya nyina mo na so nya adwuma na so se amekese no ane motu enkoso mene galamse yentumi so ano de obetumi de sombo no e de Ghana Police Service fi se mo ankasa matena ye tu galamse na so no anya de motumi asori etia opinion didi Martin ayisi ajemre kasa ye no emu nkire mu nie.
So the first is anybody who goes to the water body to go and mine is engaged in a criminal activity. We need to clear about that. Is engaged in a criminal activity. We have reported severally that behind Inyam police station people are doing stuff there which we have not permitted. So how come that the police is not taking us to assist? Why need arms to go and evict Galamsey people behind the police station? And here Mincom did not recommend police station. I don't need arms to go into private building. That is somebody else's job. Take me on persons you have issued licenses and are not doing the right thing, which I'm saying is also part of the Galamsey thing. Until we put money in geological investigation and adopt a more aggressive approach in investigating all these several thousands of blocks that Minerals Commission has designated as blockade areas, with the view to investigating them and then defining all bodies so that we give it out to the small-scale miners, then we should forget about the issue.
And ana kwaku ayisi Martin esa kire mu say wonu dwumadia patia wonu mu die ni nyina ne say omuta bibi nkwaye efa efom to agudie ho a eye kwati kwan amba moden na wonu makwayi aposifo asutro mu wi mu adwuma dia aka ne say Ghana Police Service fo begina mo na so na mra no mo de aye adwuma na be si samla me no kasai aposifo na toto mu nyuma ase na mo de mo bo adwuma pa ene sumu enkire mu nie.
His first question was, persons who are working illegally, is it not our duty to assist the security agencies to stop them? Chair, there are two things happening here. One, licenses are not issued to anybody to mine the water body. So the first is anybody who goes to the water body to go and mine is engaged in a criminal activity. We need to be clear about that. Is engaged in a criminal activity. If we have to give any special permit for anybody to do anything in the water body, is what we do for VRA. That from time to time they come for this special permit to dredge the estuary to allow these water snails that host the Biazea parasite to go away. We do that, and that's a proper thing. Outside that, there's no way we'll tell you, we'll give you a license to go and mine a mineral in the water body. We don't do that. So anybody who gets into the water body is involved in illegality.
Any awoti ye chief executive officer Edema Minerals Commission no ne din Ade Martin kwaku ayisi ne na ate ase wo kire mi say enyinam police station honom galamsey wonom otunse posifo no wonom ada
yento anwumre no sia kase ebo no eso a na ye de frenkra pompode mantamo asansa akorokoti akwa DL ohane nsia echiripo enkono kase ebo no yeto aso na ene enkra pompode mantamo obra sport kwame nkroma sekre na enyasam ketwa ne nyina no ene se esumuku ahodo a kire se bo omo omaimu etigomantene so a ne nyina no ene se ekwan ya LGBT mra no asa koto ahyeda etwene nya se panifuru no wamodwene ho a wamo entiase enunti ene esumu ahodo a kristofo etigomantene so ane demonstration peaceful walk na enyasam ketwa ne nyina no ene se wamo machi atwa krom ama Supreme Court ati aseɛ yɛma me Chief Justice Araba Tokonu ati aseɛ ama Attorney General Godfrey Ebo Adame nso ati aseɛ na ebi nso akoto mampani Akufo Addo anim sɛ Ghana ha no mo ayetie yentimi empene ema woba nware woba na be ma so nware be ma na ade nti na ya paase mra na bosome nwatwinie saa mra nda so ada ho no mo a evuturo ana abɔ hoen enu nti enu asamo beka yi a yanyumre na osi aka se boso se saa mre ya no ani ede nkrata ahodo asomu a na efri eye the Pentecostal and Charismatic Council for ho echirim se asore ma no obi antinse mo antre so enne na wo mo enye wo ye kire kese enkyere wa my Ghana atemu agya no Supreme Court na wo mo ntiase se saa mra no eda wo mo anim LGBT mra no ebra so se wo mo de ho atemu oba na ye hunu se mampani Akufo Addo wo besan mra na so wonsan na emom se mampani Akufo Addo dwane ekoto amra se bedwafo anase wo dwane koto atemuafo no nti ase LGBT mra no eda ho no mo a ebo mfuturo dia na wonom entiase na ene wo bra wo mti go montre so a wonom eye wo ye kire no emrase bedwane a wote abadwa so de ma wo manfo ne adehia wonom ewo ningo prampram eye honorable Sam na te George waka wo mo a etintim sa mra yi ede kwoto mrase bedwafie do musika hye muo ema ye kasai emra no ya paase no wo jebre ene nsamtrofo di nkomo na wo kirim se biebru se bienwado aboa tefre na asa anya fe nyina no efiri akokwa ntwuwa na de enti a emra no yentimi mpaase na mampani Akufo Addo wonfa ne nsanhya se nyina no ene se eya aban no ankasa na ahyeda akwahye atemuafo na chi a ya hyeda etwe samra ne fom se wo wianam ento ndo waka ne praise Ghana foi mo nyina mo nka mom na mo fa sobo emo mampani Akufo Addo ene MPP fo aban we se wono mo kan hu bi ana samra ne yentimi mpaase efiri se tumi na abedi wo mo nsam no wo mudi Ghana fo kum Sam George ekasa dia fa LGBT gay sense am no ho no emu nsam nie
against the forces of evil and the forces of darkness that have conspired in the corridors of power, be they in the executive or the judiciary, to stand against the will of the people of Ghana. That was expressly dated on the 28th of February 2024 when Parliament unanimously did a third reading and passed the Family Values Bill. The President caused his Executive Secretary at the time, and we wish him a speedy recovery, caused him to write a cease and desist letter to Parliament, claiming that there was a lawsuit against the bill, at which time there was no lawsuit. 48 hours later, Richard Delasky and Amanda Odoy go and file a frivolous suit before the Supreme Court of the land. And then they file an injunction suit as well against Parliament. But the Supreme Court, in March this year, in the ruling in Roxinda versus Attorney General, ruled that the Supreme Court cannot place an injunction on a constitutional body from carrying out its constitutional function. And that was the judgment that the Chief Justice gave when it came to the approval of judges, approval of ministers for President Akufo Addo. Now that the people of Ghana have passed their bill through Parliament, she claims that she wants to place an injunction.
Enti abusuanfo ne ayeti yei eye emrahye bedwane a wote abadwa so edema wo manfo ne adehia wonom ewo ningo prampram abato mpesua so honorable Sam George ana wo tirim se emra no de enti a nipa bi mpese obodo mo sa be hye ase no eye Jubilee House ana afensu no Supreme Court ana mo aka bom se ntampe homa wo mo mpese on be pass ya nanso me Ghana fo de montimi nka yen kasaboa enhye yem firi se wo me yempere na mpere kina ema wo ba nware wo ba na be ma nso enware be mada anka gwa emunsam ana wote ye no
yanto akase abo no so na medaso ade ugina mu e wa galam sensem nam no manga nenne adwuma ye konke wonku ahodo ni nyina da dodo na na ye oye kire nanso aye nsempi na ye hwe ni mu ase adwuma ye fu anku ahodo aka ni nyina nso wonom ede ho betimi agimu bia se amekese organize labor mpanifu aka esidwa so epe so wa modern aka esisudua pe pen pass se de tie biara no ene o manga na ye wo munyankopon ya adoma hina bosom de tosudu Ghana man penin wantimi amfa ne na yensi fom magalam sei no eto antumi antwa se de tibera mo nkwa adwuma o munya adwuma kran na se amekese no Ghana Medical Association fa bontia beka se kirim se dodo na bekan so se de tiara mo so baba ye oye kire mo kirim se de be oye kire no wanum enya de me ye oye kire ne anase oye kire o kire senti Ghana fo mo hye ne so pan o kire so mo adwuma ye fo ne se de tie biara mo nya beka akoye adwuma the senti unum say we adwuma na wo share Ghana Medical Association for na se a but modern say ne dua me no kasa yi event wutrim say mokwa akoye ye kire dabi wanum ente atua adwuma ne bekwaso akoso the senti but modern say obegina wona se na ba ne duru hono ma watimi akoye adwuma emo maka say kire mi say omugusu a etai eye organized labor mpanifu achi say anamoto amutuo say mokwa akoye ye kire na say wanum atua no wanum eta kire pa ne senti no omamode a emo adwuma de omo so eta wanum achi na mum Some so better atua na mo ka ka mo nse mo nkwa adwuma ne de dabi Ghana fo nkwanti se de te mo kwa kwa adwuma so no de asoman Ghana na momo no pass on better atua de nya de on better atua wono ma ka se kyerem se mpirifo gusu edi nsa wo so se on be hu se mo so se atua te so on better bi some mo nti bi no mo kwa so ne Ghana fo adi hu nkomo na bele se mo de ho amane bo de ba de ye ka se bo se so mo a yamfa enkam ye tiefo na amane bo aba bonten openipa ne sasase eye president e de ma Ghana Medical Association no ne den ade Frank Serebo ona ne sanse nkrata ahodo ye baye ase okon wesu ne sima ahodo a efri Ghana Medical Association fo aso ya e ba se etuate ne de enya de ombeko bi ne anase chena de biara da
fisa ayafo ogumpem se bi
se obi yare da hospital mo ntumi ntena ho hwese wo wunti no ombeko akoye adwuma ne mo organize labor mpo empeni fa ne mo mbatu no mo so
omo ta kire
omo ta kire
se enna akwa ekse ntokwan de ye nkone mu so opensu abagibi
eno ne asem no se omo nya oje kire na mo mu se ko ba se etuate ne mote a bibi hia momra o makache
amu hia nsu amomra
mo konso na mo hododom nso a momra yar sabia
sa me de me atuate me mete me de akina ho
emum
me nko a one man strike enti akina no nsia bebo na hadin me ko strike because it's come the menyan so no mo ma no so so ameda be de me yi
okwani enyan ohun say nsem aye keka mafunu keka madampan obi ho te abonte a de ye kan onyan hye de hu sunsanso o
da bi wahunu amanyosam na kata na nti
wahunu se utu kwan ko me ahodo a esutene na wo a ubedi adanse fa de ye kan we bi na betodwa se anyina police station honom ye de honom etu galam se ya atena ye honom na police for honom ho na ye din wo kurum ha se we ye minerals commission for na ye kan ye ne
ye kan
da bi
eye DV plate anka mu chesi mu mfichire pe anyina police station mu mfichire pe ye etu galam se
ahun ti de ye kan se mu ma mo bi amfana no ntum na ye nyi o ma yin si wo se de ye kan na se mbetena ho de a
ejita
kro ni se bo ye nyina pempem na bedwa agu ebi so yankopon so ade ba kon eso na ni se ne ma enkoye na wo be ye din no o ma hu ntem o obetena se ya chene sunsanso bon ne bi ba account
se u se udi boni a o cha saase so
o kon hu ntem da
enu ntina mempe papa ye no
se de bia wo kan na mente wase ne na ma hu sunsanso no
me say me twam 5 million e was saase so
boninti ko fitela nso be nyina che
Kwadwo Sakase bono e official na
official.
It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Mientu akase bono so ana ye bode awuramu ye da so agina mu e wo galamse nsensem no mu a ye bo amehono mu to say wey na asode a eye SDA mekire 7th Day Adventist Church wonu ma babonten akirem se gadamse no se wuyi nsuo kwa ye bretuo a asa no free hono mu a gadamse no amensu asayinti sese ama esubo aye den papa e de ama wo mo a akra foforo anyame enam wo mo so yi wo mo no kofi tela mo so sei na watimi akwa asempatra adwuma na Kwadwo wayi nam beti se kofi tela na enam yi ho atache o de wo se wo ba bedwa no wo be bonesu na awurade age no na ba bia wo ko bonesu no so aya atache no be da bonesu amara yeyi
ebe hadwen ebe firi wonsa kokora
chese adwene no ne ho otro enu nti ezi asafo no ababontia kirem se ekwan ya gadam se ade ensuo ahodo afa so okrom ha no ama se ensuo bia ne hono mu a aniti a wonom SD asafo no ebetima kwakobo esu ewo mu nti ye wade hie pi no a womo enam nyame abasa so eyi wonom afribonim nanso no ensuo a ye de bebo womo sokura no ebi ne ho enu nti sese no ama SD asafo no ene ye abura ana womo tu a ye bo enipa su ewo mu womo kirem se bible no kan ne pensi ye mo nipa su ewo si bontin mu nanso we de su bontin no adane asuo ti wo bo nipa su mu onye yi ene nka wo gyan no kra ma nko de hu fie na mabontin na nkaye enu ntama sesi ano SD asafo no abura ana womo tu a womo edebo enkofo so mo kirem se enyade a ebetimi aboa kra na sansem we nyina etodwa na executive secretary edema Northern Ghana Union ema 7th Day Adventist Church no Pastor Edward Nyako. What then some way na to the Wabrana as the Asafono. Nefa ewo Bushen Kropo Asante Mantemu. Wamanya Fishi Bianai. Anna was of Penny Okogyeabour. What that to the HM said Gadam say Ninti in swimming in a say. I'm a baby ombebo esukurano. Nyango pobu ofupa.
Galamsey has come to destroy all the water bodies. So it's also affecting our baptism because previously we were baptizing in rivers, but nowadays all the water bodies are contaminated. Therefore, that has resulted for this church to build this baptistry so that all those who will be baptized and the pastors who will be officiating will not be contaminated.
And here a church for penny at the Northern Ghana Union at the Seventh Day Adventist Church no. And ye yonku don waje su bia ko ye Sabbath school was asafuna komma Maranatha na SDF waje so Eura Zebra enti wasofo Pastor Edward Nyako ana wo kirem se gadam se no nti ensuo no a ye de kwa hohoro nipa ho ewo urade di mu no ne Yesu wawu anwane no ensuo no ayefin enti wo beda bo nipa so mu a ayawe ho sempa na enwachi no ana president edema Mid Central Ghana Conference as the asafo no Pastor Daniel Chebafo Jr. wodi ato asodi nyina anim asofo nyina anim se monkasa ntia gadam se no na ensunsanso bone a enya wo man so no de a Ghana ye bekura ne hwehwere ni ahwe yi adache be no ye de yensatia ebewura yenum emusem ni.
Enough is enough simply because when we look at the dreadful nature of our environment today and the effect that Galamsey brings upon us, I don't think we should sit as a people and continue to condone this kind of menace. You see, we talk against armed robbery, we talk against other social vices, but I dare say Galamsey tops them all. Within my jurisdiction, I am urging and entreating all my pastors that they should speak against Galamsey. They should act against Galamsey within their purview, within their power. When they see something with regards to Galamsey, they should say something.
If you see something, say something. And you are president at the Mid Central Ghana Conference. Emma SDA asafono Pastor Daniel Chebafo Jr. Anna wakasa ye.
Yantu akasi abaro so ade ye monfa huremwe e wanya mesemu na nya asem kuma kram na opening power no yesafo pon a oda chesene Action Chapel International ne din ede Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams wakasa chirem se ne kasi a waya ne ye ya si ne ye na brabo mpuntu a yekoso ni nyina da no na asafo ma muntie ne ye prefri se enya mo kapre ba mu yi na so dem ho na ma na brabo si ne ye dwete sika wanya toto kas wotem na brabo asini ye ne ho atɔ no ni nyina da no asafo muzika no ye ketekete mampore tia de so wopanum entimi enya ne kapreba o kirem se even in like bill mpo eba no asoni sika na entimi ntio efize sika mu yi na kata 10 Ghana series ni 55 series musa gye mu nsesa entimi nya hwe enti no momode aka makoma fantum ye firi se asafo na nkasa ne so ne hu kuntabuo ne hu sika sem na nkasa mpo no sika mu yi ne ntobo mu yi na so dem ho no entimi mpo moa ema so no kura entimi nya ne naso Ostafo kaze na ochirem se monsa ne so pa everisa so no eso na hu kuntabo ni sikasem ne mpo no eyenyuma hodo bi a otumi ehye na otumbo eboa ne manager ne naso so ostafo na eboa no ne mumnya so ne sika enti hu ni na Montreza aka so pastor anasa ostafo po a ono Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams papa si wiye hu ayefe usika sampa na akwana ne min nyasem kuma ochem se dabi esi ne yenya adwumade a woye enti say adwuma no ya na tumi bua na pam otumi de Nyankopɔn nani edi Nyankopɔn adwuma na chi ama huma adwuma na tumi kɔ nkan kɔ nani mu ye pa enti ngosra na adwa no enya asafoma ne sika omu yima namum eja adwumadi ni oya ne nkyɛn ne senti mu abeto mu tirim so Bishop Nicholas Duncan William aso ne sika sem gyina ne naso asafo ne tuan toboa title na ware mu yi offense ahodo na mu yi nti esi ye ne sika wanya no tirim se munya kan firi se musika sem na ye tia kete mampore ntie ne munya kakran osofo kase na ochiem se ne ya sosofo be ya adwuma no no angaza de ne botom sika abo ne ho bra na so bi ti ba bi okase na Ghana asofo de asafo man sika na magigi adam na ma toto akasa mu de dem na ochiem se munya kan firi se asafo man sika na mu yi na kete etumi mpo entua na lad benti ne mo Ghana fo am okasa no munya kan Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams em no oje hotrem anasa akasem no okasa na so dem no I
do so many things outside of preaching. When you look at me, don't think that it's your tithes, because when we talk about the tithes and the offering, he doesn't even pay the electricity bill. It's just that I don't like talking about these things. I don't. So there are other means. I have investment, businesses here and there, home and abroad, by which I make money in my own way. And I'm a serious tithe payer. I pay tithe more than you all. I'm telling you. And I'm very consistent. And sometimes I fight my office. I'll tell Dagmar, have you removed tithe? And I said, Dagmar, don't go there with me. Make sure the tithe is set aside, pay it into the account immediately. Send me a picture that you've paid the tithe before I touch the money. I'm a very serious person when it comes to the things of God. And there are preachers who don't tithe. They don't tithe because they are too big to tithe. They don't tithe to anything, anybody. They become self-appointed fathers and men of God. Because they've come into success, power and wealth, influence, and they don't have the grace of humility to honor the scriptures anymore. They don't honor scripture anymore because they are self-made. God help you. The issue we are fighting, quarreling, insulting one another. There are preachers that are against it, preachers that are for it. You are wasting your time when we need time to save souls over matters that don't matter.
General Overseer Edema Accent Chapel International Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams and what you say as of Mamusika no entumi hwe ne entumi hwe ne chenanti ono a na dwumaden a woye ehun fifiri ena onam so a odidie
enti ansoro man nya tight ni tuana
wanka se omunya tua na omusika na omuyie no entumi nya ne foku
entim kire se enti omunya itua na
se yame adwuma no asoro no sika na na de me de waka no menim ebia na bibi ikoso asoro no mu de ebia na aso mpanifo no bi ekeka se asoro sika wodi sente se ebia nka wonka se
sa
ansa so for pombe hotira kase mu agina simpie so akasa obekasa asoro sika eba ya kitua bi entumi entua na ladbe kura na yese watete nsem bi wasafo no mu a na yese ne ma bibi mu pese o mu kase tia no nti no wansan ni tia hwe na akobone
sa etimba sa
o esida na o esi esida
ana yesu penso na microphone ni wonti na kutia ye bo ni wanya press conference ya na
yes no de that time no kra na microphone bi o hanka wanya press conference
sa
nse bible ne kire so no nyankopon ne ba prekopo osoma ne ba enti ne ma bi ho no mfa nhye ni mu enti wanka ho asem kra enti osofo pese wo kire ye se eye ni sika na amana yeye enya asoro no enti asoro no kra de emane sika bi asa enti ye pese ye hu se asofo na o mo okuru mu ase no a o man kasa teto ma so de da no sa no se asoro ne ma o mu sika de a na se adwumade no mo nam so didi sa no pese o mo kire
ye
enti sika na ye tua na ye kwen
ye
pese mbisa me wofa
ubu same ye awoyofo ye ntua tatio
se sika na hwe asofo no
DLFM
ma asofo ntumi ho ntone dia asofo kire se ono wani sika na onam so didi o ne ladbe no kra so ne sika ntumi ntua half kra
mo tight ni ntumi ntua
tight ni ntumi ntua hwe enti no na esa so ne sika no ekwahe
obrafo onyum wo se mwaketua no enso na nyankopon kwadu enti osofo Nicholas Duncan Williams chirem se tight na asoro mani tuande efia se wo banum
kra enti okunum de be say ya National Cathedral no esi oyeso penny ada no
that's right
enti mabe ye be di akire ye beti aso no bi ne yasi aso no mukina
oh yes
na esi ahwe say tight ne collection na eba no e betumi afia ye lad be na se ntumi na ye de ho dance di aba
say National Cathedral no mamenya public announcement we say ye see wie ya nka me presiding bishop e wo ho
oh okay
na ye nsi enwie no ade e wo mu bia me na me hweso mesra mo mo pese mo ko pool party no ye wo swimming pool wo ho Kwadwo adaya
swimming costume no sumo obi
wo swimming costume
okay
me so far me nko na me ni swimming costume because me hu asantini a wo swimming costume da
Enso
de ne beko ye de akwese kwa donko ye de ani afuom enti mesra mo ada kofi afi asore no ansa nsoro no ko picnic ni ade Pentecost mo ta ko picnic
oh ye ko
na se mo pese bia mo ko pool party a Nikita National Cathedral credo no safua me na me hwe swimming pool no so
ene me hu me pastor atawo kire na me na akasa
na nyame adom wa ma ye nsuo free no wa ma ye mpo nkyirani a omumni mu so
edi wonim Accent Chapel International so okon asoro no su members o mo nya asem kuma
se ewo ai under bridge wo call Spenters ho no
so no so
before bedru Oak Plaza Hotel ho se ho
members e wo mu nya ni paketo a wo ndi o musika na ntumi light bill ne dia na se
da bi na light bill na o se sa tight ni ntumi ntua no wo so for so da mo ma da aye mo kire ana
ho ma dwene ho amentia so go members na ana omo search na eden
da bi tie
mentie sei
Action Chapel me ngure mu da na emom se wuduru premises ho no mo a wo nipa close to 4 million
kasa mo parking na so da ni munya kasa
into dem fans obi akura ni 5 cedis as ne tight yes sanity into dem fans say 5 Ghana cedis multiplied by who dem fans say 1 million na say we see entimi ntua light bill ya na so dem ho no mo ya mo kire wo ho ana ana mami musa bosu kena
bisa
papa asema mekan ube bodi ansa na wakasa na bodi ansa
daddy Lumba ni
okay asem de on person be kan
no de ahya ya no say yen
wose yen kan no
enti we de ene ho na eso
so we de eso
de why battery pa because we remember si pa ne ko ye ne ko fitela mu nyina le ko fitela kire me say ono kra wa ko ho abo afode esa
eni yi seje for so Action Chapel for mu jisika ho
mo si wono too much ko sika aso de ka kraka ne member si ne nyina na say
enti we tell adu dia
na ebia na so ma ne say chi ye den
Kwadwo
mesi ebia za mesi ebia
na anya bia na se ko eginis nso
ko eginis dia na ese e ho asem na be mu oyerem
we so for pani kokubofo wo se ayakikiri ka amaru akizi azibiambiam na kire se wo so for Duncan Williams e de abo asorema ne sisi ama wo mu na nkokomu abia
kura ye na so de ne be ka ho asem na ye hu se na sensika ne ma na ye hu de be
national kati nkofo dware mkro muntia
we ka na yebo
mo dware nso emu akunkum mu mponkyerani mehwemu din
democracy abofo no kro mo de yeka
so mo ko dware mo ntia meka
o ma yeka pre
Kwadwo mentu aso ana
ko we ne me time de nti
ebusu metu akase ebo no so no makomani mu a se Ghana fo beka ye a September bosom da na toso mienu ana ebeto dwa se ememu amienu a wo muko school ewo Orieli Senior High ewo Teshi Lojokuku ene ne mpotemu wankrapompone mantamu Baku di ede Godwin Mauli wo final year student ana baako nso ede eye Edward Bokitesaki enkwada mienu akwadi nkwada bonesem akwaji achinyi amewi akire Godwin Mauli no atwese kan ede awo Edward Bokitesaki ne bo akunu a chese ayawe ho sempa na asem no se bi empanesi ye ntwenkon ye ntwemra ninua ene foforo aba betomu dia betomu nyina no ene se wonu mo a ebo kwadu e wo saa asem no mo be kan se prosecution team no wo mo kirem se asem no wo mo edi docket no akwakoto attorney general office akwakoje futuo edi free attorney general office ansa na semie no etimi akoso na sansem wo nyina no etimi etoda na prosecution team wo pani awodi animu eye chief inspector Paul Osei Ejei ene ho bra court no tenase ewo la district court no ana de sansem wo nyina etudwa kirem se ba bia asem na dro no afro pam enu nti ehu be hia se wo mo de docket no ekoto attorney general eye office na fei efutuo bia no esefata sa attorney general edema wo mo no wo mo etimi ediso na wakasai eyade se wo mo eguso a wo mo eye hwehwemu na wo mo de ato investigators no anim se wo mo de pa na evidence bia no esefata no wo mo aboano ye na ene court no tenase no magistrate a wotina dwam eye adwoa Benaso Asomadu Sachi wono ane na ye presiding judge na wode ato abusuafo a wo mo de hye ani abrantie a sabre wawuo a ne din ade Edward Bokitesaki no anim se wo mo emomodin se wo mo de omani bedi akire ehunu se ampa docket no akwakoduru attorney general office ansana wo mo agya akire de ntisa de Ghana ha no ahwe anansam no afa nkwantanan na ye hwene mi se nyame ya domo abosomi ne da toso aduonu baako no ye besa de abrantia ne din ede Mauli no asa bepie mu ewo court biem na ye busebusa mu ehunu se abrantia no ampani nuani ampase won ne ku abrantia ne din ede Edward eye Bokitesaki no ana na eno enam so ema ye kasa yi court no ade ato eye abrantia abo no kwadu eye Godwin Mauli no ye de ato nanim se won hwe se wo betimi enya legal representation mekira a lawyer for nyame ya domo a 21st October yi ewo court a ye besa afre asem no ebiem na enso no nyina mu no abrantie a wawuyi eye Bokitesaki no ne papa ai fense Enoch eye Botesaki wo de to nsem trefo anim se efunu eche adaka mu a edeka na eba enu ntinu nyame ya domo abosomi ne da to so edu enwatwe 18th October no wo mo ebeyi akwada ne din ade Edward Bokite Saki na mu apia bonten na wo mode atompem na wo mapɛ na chiri kura emusam enie
Musama already file now for turning them, so we have to wait.
DLFM 106.9.
Turning the barrier. Some 18 of this month, 2 weeks from now, the barrier always been placed. I 8 o'clock when I started by 1:10.
DLFM 106.9.
Enti ebusuani ayeti yei eye wopani anidi edi Enoch Botei Saki wono ananeba eni abranti anasa bemu anidi edi Edward Bokite Saki a sabre nenyonko awo ne sekan allegedly wa ne sekan ekunu a eye o really senior high e wotation ne mpotem no na abranti en wobra wote ase no ana ni mfoni eda Facebook no so a wa hye singlet nice boy urade enti emunsam eno ntinya meyi adomo abosumi de toso edun wotwe ye de abrante na mu betompam na abusua apena chiri kurabere na odo edifritema wasi news no loud and clear keke nso edifrika so ana wasi news no emu da ho papa na DLFM no size ana Obed Yosen ana waso oku I went to senior high school wo Kwadwo and I know Twebe too much Kwadwo twi na make an sa na tie
what say
me say me saying wasi woko school oko senior high school wo Kwadwo kurom enu ntini wenim Twebe papa
no crepa
ana wasi ehokura mpo no oto aba
oh nze wo mpeso aso ho
nti wasi menka ntra wo se nti wasi menka ntra se koso a DMP no na wobeto aba na wo wiese wasa ato makua donkoni Roman father beye beye.
Oh, okay, no. Let me go to Frank and I'm a one.
Say a skirt and blouse.
Yes.
Into what 2 MP ni mawa. Now I to presidential na mekua donko.
There be some me you akua donko mo na eko.
Ah, wo ko
Ghana Freedom Party.
Oh, nya no.
Nti o to mame a. Wa san to ama Roman father na akua
donko. Enti the incoming youngest vice president of the Republic of Ghana, Roman father.
Wari obofo.
Say ya. Na actually every aguna inkum. And was see news no loud and clear. Aguna inkum in the central region. And was see DLFM. Always the best. Anna Robert Gamele. Was offer. Now my name has been changed. If you call me again Gamele, miss you. Enti was say edi ayemfamfra no. Tobi Gogoligo Gameli Gogohuon the youth chief at Atitogon Blama Koji in Togo. We tofi what afre say Saga Melino. Na mamon Belinda was news no loud and clear was said apai we efe nefe na anything. Oh Hadiawi nefe anything. Ana Derek ayete was on me adrum. Abbas Austin, a man born a 49 nana, Amansia primary, Amansia Chirebe combined. And was offer. I am with you guys. Always you guys are doing great. Yet I say, I'm also Steven. Your friend Ali Wadrago was in news from Adam, Damam City, was Saudi Arabia. And I could say, Bibi Abokodia, a befa, inshallah. Allahu Akbar. And was say I am watching you live pa. Yeda say ebusuya ye gina we so adan ye ho aba se sia ye ba. Apakan atena say sports is up next.
The Yale News.
Abusia enana dwi mayan sama wa dwon ansama wa kwa ba mfamra deal ohani nsia echi ponkron kasa fidie so emre wiedu se na nwumre agudie momrante yesin kunya na agudie mu nsama wodo a ya boabo no abusia ye de besomo Ghana nsamo wa ena nkrofon kroso de ekaun ni asamufu atena se asamo krogen se editie se wote Facebook for no so edi hwese mo hwe na yenso no edi se ye beka kire mo entini yatena se a ye de eba besomo me amedi agudi won sam edibadi amege so no ayensu ano de hye Upper KGH the Blazer kineme na mede ensam no eba be down na nwumre yensha se de awuni mu se ende no the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana nyame adoma yawada wo Accra Sports Stadium ampaye bedwa 2025 AFCON ye bobo no ma ye friend Morocco qualifies no and a group F ye the third game no e de boani against Sudan na ahead of the game no woni say bebo no e wa Accra Sports Stadium na Mr. Charles Amofa kasamafo de ma Ministry of Youth and Sports ye na twetwen komo na ye bisa ne say Mr. Charles ene no Accra Sports Stadium no aye kama aye fe ohwe pitch na aye fe pa na eden na moye ya ende ama pitch na aye fe sa no si o yemfa basobode ne aseda ni nyina enkoma Ghana ban a etia benya so a His Excellency Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo eda no na fenso ebinko emfoma Ministry of Youth and Sports no omo no makeka nyama sieni a yetumi aye Accra Sports Stadium na pitch na aye fe sa aye ready for the game na baso o say the pitch no o CAF requirement na meeting nyina in the game na baso
management of the sports authority at the and the shape ba ye kwa ye kwan si betimi ato dia beni friend pitch covers until say ye benya pitch cover
ye try say ye benya sa ene no e dia ma o na o chirema o say ye mbo aban na baso Mr. Charles Amofa echima o say Accra Sports Stadium na aye fani nyina yemfa credit na baso body no emfama Ghana by government of Ghana ene afenso bi enko emfama Ministry of Youth and Sports ye try say ye betumi enya say
management of the sports authority at the and the shape ba ye kwan si betumi ato dia beni friend pitch covers until say ye benya pitch cover libi no nya dia ye de bema any social event so no sani amika ye me fanse and I think na beko ama the government of Ghana that is through the Ministry of Youth and Sports I can see a Sudan ebesini yawada 4 o'clock no Nhyiraba bebre na akomu in terms of your facility upgrading media keka ho yes you say your facility say your transport stadium sports stadium baba yara facilities na host a category
Mr. Charles Amofa ena watene kan otwane samsono ena odi tuja echemo sendra Black Stars of Ghana players no omo gochina agopramane so eye training ni ade na after training no ena Black Stars of Ghana players ne be a granty interview echema omo si pitch no omo you okay with it na eno echin so no pitch no bibia atutodi into Mr. Charles Amofa say endra players na training pitch no so omo wie no omo kasai echema pitch no bibia de na kwam
Accra Sports Stadium and you are a Black Stars training Accra Sports Stadium na after training interviews omo ye keka na players na nkasa aja to se pitch no picture me fan say omo ni je ho bi so over other sessions to say the VIP sections, dressing rooms, anybody are not more case yen hwanian yen sisanye ministry na ya atom
Mr. Charles Amofa amananso aye bisanse ne no unim se Accra no nanse na Blasters emmo game wa yesore ani e di game na kopie mu ewo Kumase Baba Yara Sports Stadium na yakobo game no ewo ne ya ye ba Accra abesia kan no in terms of say yambo game no dewro promotion no akosen e na ticket kura no obi pebi ato a enwon hihye ne abo no etisen
I can see a promotion of the game media. Better. Over the social media or share the console your posted na. They are to and only for ticket sales. Also, CCN DLFM electronic and the e-ticketing. And it's a winner phone now, Bosta 711 hash now. A whole demo pumps, a demo categories of tickets are a available.
Mr. Charles Amofa ne krakra mu no na yebisan se ne Accra Sports Stadium no moye ne fe Kumasi nso yegu so ayeye Cape Coast yeye Tamaledie no eno nso ye hu image se ba bonten a eno nso adwuma gu so ekoso na ade ba ko ese stadium e wo Ghana no stadium modema artiste awodo ene nsore omudi ye event ni ade na going forward no mo be say ade ni biema na ano sida bi management of National Sports Authority decide say until say ombenya pitch covers e wo Ghana no omomfa ye stadium Emma social event via enkoso obiem da
management of the sports authority at the kwan see betimi ato dia boni friend pitch covers until say ye benya pitch cover ni no nya dia ye de bema any social event so no enkomo koso to find one dedicated facility.
Mr. Charles Amofa Ekasa de Ministry of Youth and Sports Erebusia Waten Kano Elisha Owusu midfielder Edema Black Stars of Ghana and Ram omu trainee our pitch and so now after the game no di nkomo echema or say Accra Sports on pitch no very good na ombedo obi bia say obi bia ye na afemu de se na be ya ombe to me abo good football esan so omunya good pitcher and ombe to me abo good football say Ram so no training now omu ye no na very amazing.
It was good. I will not lie to you. The pitch was quite good, and you had an amazing training today. So really happy that everybody are doing the thing to help us play better football.
Otwani Samsona Elisha Owusu eritu just ahead of Gema. Nyami aduma yawada. Yeni Sudan ebebono so be piema we team nakachia. Bibia very positive. Osi omukita right mentality. Omode ko game no. Omonim say game no important. Essence yen first 2 games no. Enyama nko yenti game mienu a yeni Sudan ebebo a ye wiane yakwa we no. Osi kwambia so say Ghana fanku nimdie no.
The team are positive. You know, in football we need to be positive. We need to every time have the right mentality and not look down. We have 2 very important games, and we know what to do when you have just 1 point. You need to win. We know that it's a very important game for us. We didn't have a good game.
Elisha Owusu midfielder de my Black Stars of Ghana. And I waten in Ghana Blasters unim say na otwe de yomo na otwe nti omo nsam no adoso eno an nsam a ende no ebobo by say omo no nam ho apaso yetwitwa biwe Mr. Osai Owusu Bempa veteran sports analyst e Ghana osi Sudan game na yakwakobo no Sudan for no ebe tough customers edi amaye osi Sudan kra for some time now emra yekita MiPROMO no eni Sule Muntali no ye ne omobo a ye struggle na nye nde ya asi ye national team no nyama nkoye osi ne wo de Ghana siwo na wo de Sudan esiwa ye ni bibia ye de bro mo so na kwasi apia no coach Sudan so no onim Ghana hu bibia enti game ne de very difficult de ama Ghana
very tough customers the last so years that we playing to the extent that they could come to Ghana when we had some of the best players the Asians Enquiries appears and stuff we didn't take a draw in Kumasi. If you look at their recent performance these are the performance of the Black Stars. I don't think we are any way shape or form ahead of them technically or in any field.
Mr. Osei Owusu Bempa amananswa endro ana CAF edeba echuma kwasi apia conflict of interest untumi ye GFA ESCO member of Ghana na unkochi Sudan emra maimienu we ekwakobo into onfa position ba konto ema kwasi apia decide say temporarily no or the nidwumedi odi as GFA ESCO member no edi atwo Mr. Osei Owusu Bempa chima osi we na shame eyanim guase se kwasi apia twen a ama ya bedu babia edui osi ono de oka dada se ade we se kwasi apia decide na nko odi dwumedie ba ko edito na wanya mande CAF ahye no ema na ye dia eyanim guase na GFA ESCO members ni GFA for no amonso motenase a moantumi anka hwe amfa nche kwasi apia ya bedu babia edui ehwo na mo wona adwuma Bempa na moye.
It's a shame that it had to come to this point. When the issue of Kwesi's appointment at the Sudanese Federation, I was among the first to say that for purposes of integrity and good governance, Kwesi should either resign from the position as a leading committee member or maybe the Sudanese national team head coach. And I'm shocked that the GFA.
Mr. Osei Owusu Bempa, a veteran sports journalist, and a ebusia waten enkano. yemfi ehɔ ne yemfa yɛn nkyɛmu ɛwɔ nsɛm foforo mu dia yɛnkɔ pie mu ɛwɔ Dr. Evans na kachina Dr. Evans supporters chairman my young apostles Boboko no nyame adoma na otwi omone haso folk na ebo no wakasa ochoma o se ne ye ni team kitwa bia ɛwɔ Ghana omone kotokoko boy no omuma kotoko a tough game eka de nka omunya good result against Kotoko o se na otwi omone has kwakobo ɛwɔ mu fie wo de has anya ne fokra no draw
and a team way cassette and a team way ketwa ye ni team a ketwa ɛwɔ Krobia asante Kotoko pe mu na nkasa ye call your no nkasa hu say yes o ye bibi kitwa bia ke de fa e de ye de ben e de bai but nyame ne di ne wo afofi Kotoko bona nkasa ya we say nyame e ne di wo mo ho de ben afofi sana ye de be ye has
Dr. Evans supporters chairman my young apostles Boboko no nyame adomo china Ghana Premier League game ba ko ekemu summer test 1996 na se omni Boboko friend media mabo na mo na media mabo Africa omu coach o coach media ma ye friend ni bo saka po china game na eba so no wakasa o se summer test perfect opponent omu fi Champions League na eba o se omu ko game no Omu ye very, very positive. No media ma ediko game no.
Like you told, perfect opponent. Really, they are coming from Champions League. They are a team who gave a title from us, and we must back them on the field. This is excellent.
Nebotsa Kapo coach my media ma sporting club ebusia watin nkana ye di fie ni senior boniteo na ya sore so ewo amanone dia en anopa no na medebetu anim. Say Barcelona legend your friend Andre Iniesta na Barcelona legend wa retire na football there o retire sana enam bra o boy enti ye kan sampa e de fa na Real Madrid omo ye Barcelona bitterest rival na mo omo de rivalry na to nchen e release statement e de afa Andre Iniesta one omo chema oye a great footballer wiasi enyae na bibie so ye bia no wa ye omo reshe very best of luck in the next career we in sama Real Madrid area betudwa afa Andres Iniesta wa ye de amount enso ewo Kylian Mbappe renew Real Madrid player of the month of September ensem no Man City sporting director ye friend Tiki Bergistan report eba and it's a season we kwewe ya obuna ketem de fibobo kwa ye friend Man City na wako as a sporting director ye de ensem de esomo na yegina so na agudie mu nsema yede ebesomo no yede enso asi ewo na mesore so no mpanifo bi a etie adwumadie no minchi omai na yensore so madam ayefro Bridget Afuasapon Dam wo Canada Montreal ena ufi na momono ulivi ewo Cornwall Ontario ewo Canada enti madam Bridget Afuasapon Dam wo Canada Montreal na mo ote Cornwall Ontario enanwure ma yenchia oni yenda wasie pa se debia utie enso onyame nhyiraw na onye okese enso ewo na yeda wase pa se waje yen ede atum ewo honom ena chairman aponsa na chairman aponsa ma minchiaw enanwume no detective chief inspector Frank Aponsa, Regional Police Headquarters, Kumasi. Oye chairman at the Lovers of Daddy Lumba Fan Club, Kumasi. Inti Odi DLFM no, Ufie. Inti Detective Chief Inspector Frank Aponsa, Regional Police Headquarters, Kumasi. Chairman for Lovers of Daddy Lumba Fan Club. Also, Nenumri, Yenchia on Yanawasi, say, Debiano, Oboye Chidoma, Utie, and so. Ebusiamia Media Gudio Munsamano, Edi by Diamejesono, a young Suano this year. Upper KGH, the Blessed King.
DLFM 106.9.
Ebusia yengina wesona enumen samwa yade ebesom Ghana for se wo man adwuma enumen no si aka se bono yemfa ensi ewa ha na yebesre tiefo yentimi mfa sofa no emra mu nyame ya adomo a yade ebebramo na Kofi Taylor de ko Facebook no eso akenkanfo mienu Edia mejeso Gangster Katia meeting kura Okogyeabour Ocran mene.
Takradi kojo krom twabewu de hye. Be ma 10 gramo. Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi. Ebusua
ye ko na nyame ya domo a yawada. General Manager Emma New Lucky Electricals, North Legon Branch. Manager Simon, your friend the governor, a birthday in tea. Happy birthday in advance. And confirm the General Manager Emma New Lucky Electricals, North Legon Branch. Yeah, that's a pass. I will start for no 80 DLFM and Edumre. Yamamu Yinadro. Yes, also. DJ Hates Man is up next. I also stay tuned.
DL News.